Okay, in this segment, we're going to go through the final steps of putting your tire back on your bike after you've repaired it and getting ready to ride away. Now, you notice that the bike is lying on its left side. I did that on purpose so that the derailleur would not be touching the ground and possibly being broken or bent. Now, I remember that when I took the wheel off, I had the chain on the smallest chain ring. So that's the one that I'm going to put it on, and it's just going to slide in perfectly. Okay, tighten the wheel. The most important thing to remember on this step is to put the brake release back in its position so that you have brakes. You're not going to want to start in your highest gear, so go ahead and shift it over. Now, before you get on the bike, you need to clean up. Nothing is more irritating to bicyclists or motorists than to ride down the road and to see this. So put it in your pocket and we're good to go.